Imagine you're hiring a new driver for your delivery company, but you don't actually have a driving test ready yet. You'd just be tossing them the keys and hoping they don't crash into a mailbox, right? That's exactly what happens when product teams ship AI features without an evaluation framework. On one side, you have engineers building cool models. On the other, you have users getting weird, broken answers. The PM is stuck in the middle trying to figure out if it's actually good. Let's fix this with our driving test metaphor. Before anyone gets behind the wheel, the DMV decides exactly what to measure. They check if you can parallel park, if you stop at red lights, and if you can merge safely. They also decide what a passing score actually looks like before the car even starts. In AI, we call this an evaluation framework. It's just your checklist of what good means for your specific feature and the exact score it needs to pass. You're basically writing the DMV rulebook for your AI model. First, you pick your test routes, which we call evaluation datasets. These are just real questions your users will actually ask. Next, you set your grading rubrics. Maybe a perfect parallel park gets 5 points, but hitting a cone is an instant fail. Finally, you run the test and see if the driver passes your specific rules. But here's where the driving test metaphor breaks down. A real car either hits the cone or it doesn't. AI outputs are fuzzy, so your grading rubric needs to handle things that are only halfway right or mostly wrong. Let's look at a real product example. Say you're building an AI tool that writes email replies for customer support. Your test routes are 50 angry customer emails. Your rubric checks if the AI sounds polite, if it offers a real refund, and if it avoids making up fake company policies. Model A sounds super polite, but hallucinates a fake refund policy. Model B is a bit blunt, but gets the facts right. Because your rubric heavily penalizes fake policies, Model B wins. So what's your actual move as a PM? First, sit down with your engineers and write out the top 10 things the AI must absolutely do and the top 3 things it must never do. Second, grab 50 real examples from your users today and use them as your very first test route. Don't let your team build the car until you've written the driving test. If you know what passing looks like, you'll actually know when your AI feature is ready to ship. Thanks for watching U2xAI Academy, and go build something great.